In this module, we will see the differential expression and the p-values. As we remember that in the previous modules, we have seen that when the correction of multiple comparison was carried out, we could not get any data that is significantly expressed genes. But might be this picture may not be true. If we see the top 10 genes, we can observe that some of them are highly upregulated and maybe more than 12 times upregulated. And few of them, they are downregulated, and it is also significant as the value is 32 times downregulated. But if we see the p-value and if it is insignificant, then we can say that the data that we are obtaining is not of larger size. So if we increase the number of the genes and data, then these problems could be removed. But if our target is to see the differential expression within the genes after the microarray data, then the p-values can be adjusted. For example, if we want to see the expression value of the top 20 genes, then we can use certain different methods to identify and to calculate the expression of the first 20 genes. For example, we can use the RT-PCR technique, and in this technique we can find out the expression of the genes one by one. But in this case, the p-value is not the significant factor. It could be any value of the p-value. And the ranks of the genes, they will remain the same. So sometimes we are also interested to see the original raw data that is obtained after the statistical analysis. For this purpose, first we have to find out the number of rows for the different type of genes, and we can get the rows from the command top table, and in parentheses we can write the data. We can generate the top table results for the best 100 genes. As we have seen, we want to see the expression of 100 genes in the vector Rn. We will use the command Rn row names top table fit coefficient 2 and n is equal to 100. Genes that have the unadjustable p-value at most 0.001. First we create the top table results for all genes in the analyzed data. Then we will get from this top table the result only the rows that have a p-value of less than 0.001 and put these gene names in the vector Rn. Then the top table command, this one output is a matrix. So individual columns can be extracted using this notation, and this is used for the p-value column in the example. And we use this one TT top table coefficient 2 n narrow and data m, and then nr vector we will use, and we will get the command like this row names TT p package, and we will get the p-value less than 0.001. So in both cases, object Rn now stores the number of rows of the original data matrix. In this case, we have the 100 genes. Those names are actually stored in the character vector, but we need to convert it into the numeric vector. And we will use this command Rn as numeric Rn. Then we can extract the genes from the original data by using this command dat.s and dat.mrn.